Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our BNB video update. So yesterday we started BNB update from this point onwards, and I think I'm just gonna do this regular updates for BNB because why not? A lot of people are concerned with what BNB is doing, and kind of fun to share your own comments on what's going on with the coin itself. Now, news-wise, we've seen BNB having too many withdrawals. So withdrawals data for Binance exchange. So we're getting a lot of people withdrawing too much. So here we are. Binance withdrawals, and this from Al Jazeera, by the way. I didn't know Al Jazeera covers crypto. I thought they only cover, well, never mind. Binance withdrawals hit $1.9 billion in past 24 hours, says data firm. And so number one is people who are concerned with offline or online storages. Well, you have three options. Personally, I actually ended up ordering my Trezor, and Trezor is actually a hardware wallet. All you can do is go on to Trezor here. You can write Trezor and you can get this one at trezor.io, and it's a hardware wallet for storing your cryptocurrencies, and this is an offline, the most safest hardware, the most recommended out there. Okay, the number one best one. Now the second one is if you don't actually want to buy something, you do have two options. One is going to be Trust Wallet token and one is going to be MetaMask. Okay, now this is not going to be a tutorial about how to do that. You can always watch on YouTube on how to create a crypto wallet for DeFi, Web3 dApps, and NFTs. So you can use MetaMask because people use MetaMask a lot, especially developers whenever they want to code through Solidity and build dApps through Ethereum and whatnot. Everyone almost has to use MetaMask, and this is quite safe out there. Maybe the online number one best one could be MetaMask. So you guys can check out maybe on YouTube how to do that one if you want me to do. I've actually never tried to create a wallet on MetaMask, but I'm gonna consider doing that, and if I get to understand it, maybe I can actually throw a tutorial on how, hey, this is how you can do this. So looking at the weekly time frame, we do have this to retest for BNB. So I've actually talked about this double top right here, and that double top actually takes you all the way to $112. So it's very clear you've popped to the downside, you went for this back test, got rejected, went for the second back test, and then you got rejected. Can you do it again? It doesn't really matter. If you do like this, eventually this is your technical target. If you're not going to pass the retest and move up to $539. Now, one thing could be very clear to me, and that is if you try to come above the trend line and close above the trend line, you do have good chances of actually coming back up to $672 again. Okay, but if you're not doing that again, it's not a good idea. As far as my weekly concern goes, we have these three candles right now, which is about to close this. We have 4 more days to close this candlestick right over here, and if you end up closing that candlestick right over there, you're gonna have 3 red candles back to back, again continuation, which is known as 3 black rows, and then you make that continuation pattern. That means the prices are going to continue to move even lower. So that's the weekly. Let's dive into the daily. Let's see what's going on the daily time frame. Now the daily is quite not good. Okay, you do have a little bit of a spinning top right there, you do have these candlesticks, but you don't have any particular pattern right now. Like, it's just very random. Okay, it was moving sideways, moving to the upside, moving down, moving sideways. You just don't find any good progress for BNB. It just looks weird, really weird. Okay, the last time, yesterday, we probably saw it down at $255, and now it's trading at $275. What I can do is actually dive into the 4-hour time frame once again, and let's talk about this one. Whoa, now the 4-hour time frame looks like something, because the 4-hour time frame, and actually what I'm going to do is dive into the 1-hour time frame. You do have a little bit of maybe a pattern going on here, so a V shape on a 1-hour time frame. So what is a V shape, by the way? Go to Google and write in V shape pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna do that pattern right over there into crypto images right here, and that's a V reversal bottom that you have. So image wise it's going to look something like this, image wise again it's going to look something like that. So on the 1-hour time frame, that's a very clear V shape right now, and you do have an amazing trading opportunity. This can actually, as far as I'm concerned, you have popped out of it and you're looking for maybe a price continuation and appreciation from there to there, and you're looking for a move up to $296. So that's actually going to be a price move up of 7.64. So this is an amazing scalp opportunity for BNB right now. And that's pretty much it for this update. Maybe put a stop loss down near this price target right there for a 0.8 risk reward ratio, maybe just a little bit lower to even 270.4, but I will say somewhere near 271.5 is still going to be good. So 1.3 risk, 7.55% reward sounds like a very good plan to me. And that's pretty much it for this update on BNB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.